there guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy 2018. Super weird, it does not feel like 2018. Anyway, for today's video, I'm recreating a video I did a while back, I believe. Did you see that, Matt? This video is how to take better photos for Instagram or Tumblr or anywhere else you're posting photos. I like to take photos, I like to do photo shoots with friends, but I'm not professionally trained. I'm not claiming to be the best photographer in the world. These are just my thoughts and hopefully you enjoy them. So a lot of this is kind of based on if you're taking photos of yourself or like, I mean, I guess if someone is taking photos of you. When you first start taking photos of yourself, it's kind of like, what pose do I do? Like, do I just stand there and smile? Go on Instagram and find some photos that you really like and you can kind of just recreate that. It'll be like my recreating Instagram photos video. No, I'm kidding. But it'll just give you some inspiration. You can see if they put like one foot in front of the other or if they like turn to the, I don't even know an example of a pose. And Instagram has the whole saved tab, so you just click on the little bookmark type thing and you'll have all the photos saved. I use that tab for like photo inspiration, makeup inspiration, outfit inspiration. I'm making myself sound like a beauty guru. Look at me, hair inspiration. No. You gotta find some locations because I know you see a bunch of models who are like in LA and you're like, I can't go to those steps with a heart on them because that's like 3,000 miles away. I feel ya. Basically what I like to do is go into Instagram and go to the location search and just look up your location, your town, or like a nearby city or wherever you feel like going. And a lot of times the top posts are like taken by photographers and you can kind of like check their locations and see where they are, or find some photographer posts, then click on their account and look at their other photos and see where those were taken. If they live in your area, likely their other photos will be taken at nearby locations, but honestly location is not a huge thing. Find a cool wall. It could be literally like the side of your house or your garage door. It can be any random field. Actually, to fully attest to this, one time I was taking photos with my friend. We were taking them on this cool yellow wall and next to the yellow wall was a red dumpster. So I took photos of her in front of this red dumpster and it looked like she was in front of this really cool red wall. The photos turned out so well. So honestly, you can take photos in front of a dumpster to represent your home, how garbage you are, and they can turn out really well. So definitely don't be discouraged if you're like, I don't live in a good enough location. If you live in Ohio and it's currently snowing and gross out, you're okay. You can still find dumpsters to take photos in front of. Okay, this next one is gonna sound dumb, and that's okay. Basically, this one is to have a vision for your photo. I sound like I'm talking about like an awakening, like you have a vision. But really just like go into a photo shoot with some idea of how you want it to look. Because if you're going for like angsty emo teen, obviously you're not gonna be smiling. And obviously you're not gonna go to like a colorful mural to take your photo. So I don't know, just like have some idea in your head of the look you're trying to portray, and likely it'll come through in like your facial expressions, your poses, all of that. I don't really know how to explain this, but I think you might know what I mean. I hope. Am I being helpful at all? I hope. Okay, for this next one, likely you don't have like a best friend who's a really good photographer. So whoever's taking your photo, or if you're the one taking the photo, make sure to try lots of angles because you have no idea what's gonna look the best. And the thing is, you're not being like broadcast on live television. These are photos that you can delete if you don't like them. I really like photos taken from like a down angle. Makes your legs look really long and you just look good. But if a year or two ago someone had taken a photo of me from below, I'd be like, that's not gonna look good. You're gonna see up my nose. My face doesn't look good from that angle. My legs are gonna look like toothpicks in not a good way. You don't know how something will turn out until you try it, so why not try it? Like if it looks like garbage, you click the delete button and it's gone forever. And going along with that, take a lot of photos. If you're taking them on an iPhone, which you can definitely do, try out the bursts. These are not gonna be a cute look. We'll keep it blurry just so you can't see how, you just hold down on the photo button and then, wow, I've never looked so good in my life. Just got 23 photos of me looking like that. Could that be a meme? Take a bunch, or whoever's taking your photos, tell them to just keep going. It never hurts to have too many options. That probably won't happen. Okay, so the final thing on my list is about editing. Wow, sorry, my chair's loud. Be creative with your photos and don't be afraid to add different edits. This is a photo of me and my boyfriend and it's kind of boring, but I popped some little stars on here. It just kind of added something. I really like it. You guys might not. Just trying to be creative in here. I don't know, just don't be afraid to do something different with your editing or the angle you take the photo. The clothes you wear, I think it's really cool in photos to just wear like your most out there wild outfit. Obviously stay true to your style of photo and clothes and all that, and like art. I knock my microphone down in every video. You guys don't want to hear me sing. But try and switch it up, do something different. People are most impressed by something they haven't seen before. So yeah, those are my tips. I don't know how much of this you already knew or if you thought it was common sense, but I do get a lot of compliments on my photos and you guys loved my last video, so I feel like this is a question a lot of people have. If this helped or if you enjoyed, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. Press the bell to turn on post notifications. Check out my social media, particularly Instagram, and here are some of your posts that I really liked. If you want your post in my next video, comment down below your Instagram name and make sure you're following me and your account is on public. So yeah, as always, have a great day. I'm so excited for 2018 and what is to come with my channel. Anyway, leave other video requests down below because I want to know what you guys want to see. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! You could be the world that I'm fighting